Hey guys, good morning. It's Dave Santarelli here from BreakingChartAlerts.com. I wanted to do this pre-market video, go over a few things. You guys know what Thursday is. Every Thursday, 8:30, government comes out with initial jobless claims. And basically all this means is how many people in the past week filed for unemployment benefits. And right now, U.S. initial jobless claims for September 18th, 870,000 versus 840,000. So more people are still filing for unemployment. Jobs are not coming out as quickly as we want to see them. And then also continuation claims. So what this means, the people that are on unemployment, every week they have to refile for benefits. So right now, U.S. continued claims for September 11th, 12.58 million versus 12.3 million expected. That's almost 300,000 more than the government was expecting that are still continuing to collect those unemployment benefits. Okay, so obviously the market's pulling back here. I have the SPY pulled up on the chart here. As you guys can see, we're still in breakdown momentum, still dropping lower here. So we have some support right at 320, which we're at right now. I think, honestly, we're going to see this sell-off continue here ahead of the election. There's a lot going on in the news. So you guys know yesterday, Breonna Taylor, they indicted one of the officers, but they did no charges for her murder. And protests were wild here. A couple police officers were shot, and the protests are still going on up there. So there's a lot of things going on in the economy and with our culture in the United States here. Here's the other kind of good news here. So retailers started resuming their rent here, but there's a problem. So back in June, 1/3 of the retailers have been paying rent at the malls and at the outlets and everything. In July, 65% of the retailers were paying rent. Now, the retailers are starting to pay rent, but now what their problem is, they're saying since everything's limited, they want to reduce their rent. So a lot of these big corporations, a lot of these big retailers are starting to fight now in court saying, hey, if you guys are going to limit the amount of people in our store and limit the amount of people at the mall, we shouldn't have to pay the rents that we're paying now. So that's going to be a big battle that's still going on. The stores want their rent lowered here. FedEx shares are basically higher. Johnson & Johnson shares are higher off that stage 3 clinical trials of the COVID vaccine, as you guys could see here. J&J shares slightly higher here, up about 0.32%. FedEx is still on the climb, still looking good here, slowly, even though the market's down about 100 points here. If we take a look at, let's see what else is moving here. McDonald's is slightly higher. Macy's is slightly higher here in the pre-market hours. Chipotle, that was one we were talking about yesterday. That one's still on the climb. Booking.com, Baba, let's see, and Darko Petroleum. Everything else is taking quite a hit. Overstock's down 3%. Pinterest down just about 3% here. Tech's down about 1% down the line. Tesla's down to 367. Take a look at Tesla. So if you take a look at Tesla here, still in breakdown momentum, I think we could see Tesla drop down to 350. And if it breaks below that 350, 300 is going to be the next support area on Tesla here. So we got to keep an eye on Tesla. But the big thing is, guys, SPY. We bought some SPY puts yesterday. We were up 60% on the close. I think we're going to have about 150% gain or higher on this, especially if we break below that 320 support right here. And if we drop down to that 310, we're going to be looking closer to 300% return or more on those SPY puts. So the game plan for today, guys, be patient, be disciplined. We're going to hold our SPY puts that we have in our trade challenge account there. We'll let those gains accumulate throughout the day here as the markets continue to pull back. And we're just going to remain cautious. We're going to watch for some setups. We're only going to be trading momentum now. We're not going to be looking for any type of crossovers. We're not going to be looking for anything else but momentum. And that's really important during volatile times like this in the market. Obviously, you guys also heard the news here about Trump saying if Biden won, he's not going to transfer power peacefully. He's going to take it to the Supreme Court. So that's why he wants to pick another Supreme Court judge before the election here. So all the news outlets are saying, oh, Trump's saying he's not going to transfer power peacefully, which is gonna hurt our democracy here in the United States and whatnot. So, as the news pumps out that negative information, that's when you see the markets pull back like we are. But the markets are in BDM, breakdown momentum, and we're going to be looking for continued breakdown and support here. So I'll see you guys in the trade room shortly. I hope you have a great day, and remember today, trader psychology is really important. Be patient, be disciplined. Let's hold on to these SPY puts that we have, and we'll look for any other type of setups. But it's probably going to be a pretty slow day here as far as trades go. If we see some good momentum, obviously we're going to look and make some day trades here. If not, we'll just hang on to these SPY puts. We have the 28th Expo, and I think these are going to do really well for us. We should see triple-digit gains on that today, percentage-wise, and we'll look to add to those positions if we break below that 320 support here. So have a great day, guys. God bless, and happy trading. See you live in about, 45 minutes. Take care, guys. And don't forget, please, to subscribe to this channel and give it a thumbs up here if you like these pre-market videos. Thanks, guys, and take care.